Have you ever made a puzzle before? It takes a lot of work, but it's also a lot of fun. If you can get all the pieces in the right places, then you can see the whole picture. But what if some of the pieces were missing? If you didn't have all of the pieces, it wouldn't be as much fun. It would be hard to see the whole picture. The Bible is kind of like that. Heavenly Father gave us the Bible. It is filled with testimonies of Jesus Christ, and it teaches us a lot about Him. But there are some parts of the Bible that got lost, and some parts that got taken away. It's kind of like a puzzle with missing pieces. That's why Heavenly Father also gave us the Book of Mormon. The Book of Mormon is another testimony of Jesus Christ. It proves that the Bible is true, and it gives us the missing pieces that we need. When we read the Bible and the Book of Mormon, we can learn a lot about Jesus Christ. Heavenly Father gave them both to us, and we need them both. So let's start reading.
And the angel spake unto me, saying, These last records, which thou hast seen among the Gentiles, shall establish the truth of the first, and shall make known the plain and precious things, which have been taken away from them.
Are you looking for kids' entertainment that also promotes good values? Living Scriptures Streaming has a library of over 5,000 titles that you can watch from your favorite device. Try Living Scriptures for free by clicking on the link in the description.